someone special, who could it be?
This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help.
But never fear-o, it looks like a job for a Higglytown Hero. A Higglytown Hero.
I'm a Higglytown hero, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero. Just like me. A hero just like me. I'm the laundry worker and you'll see I help clean clothes. 1, 2, 3. My laundromat's got big machines to wash up clothes and make them clean. If you've got some dirty sweaters, put them in and they'll look better. Yucky suits and pants and skirts, clean right up. Goodbye, dirt.
Can you clean a muddy mess on a platypus's dress?
Of course I can. The answer is yes.
Or help a little mouse with a spot on her blouse?
So I can do that without leaving the house. Shirt or dress, I'll clean like new. Watch what focus suns can do. Spots and blots will disappear. I'll clean them all, so have no fear. I'm a Higglytown hero, bold and good. I help my friends just like I should.
So work real hard, that's what we'll do, so we can be a